Emerging players that we're looking at. WaveGate Corporation has a spinal cord stimulation device for chronic pain management. It has a novel mechanism of action that we think is really interesting and is going to allow for real-time adjustments. And that's really what's going to be core to spinal cord stimulation specifically, and the management of chronic pain is the introduction of new types of technologies to more personalized therapy. Canary Medical has created a lot of buzz. They have a partnership with Zimmer Biomet, and they're looking at expanding that technology that listens to implants into other implanted devices. And this is really kind of, you know, pardon the pun, it has served as a canary in a lot in the coal mine in a way to validate the need for listening to medical devices, evaluating how they function. There's a serious value add that intelligent implants can add to healthcare providers, but also to companies developing implantable medical devices. When you take a look at reducing unnecessary healthcare visits, um, earlier intervention into possible device failures, these are the types of things that get us excited about the technology that Canary and other companies are investigating. TheraQ is developing an advanced SRS or stereotactic radiosurgery platform device. We think it has a really cool, innovative way of doing things. BIZ, 3D computer vision, spatial computing for neuro, ortho, and spine surgery. Interesting side note, hard tissue surgical robotics is expected to see quite a bit of growth, especially when you compare it to the more traditional soft tissue surgical robotics. So if you think the Da Vinci type devices, we're going to be seeing growth in the surgical robotics for hard tissue and complementary solutions to improve those procedures and how they perform, like that being developed here. We're going to are of interest to us. A couple of other ones, Berlin Heels. This is, I believe this was my pick. It's a little inside baseball on how this was done. We went around the office and asked a few people about companies they're excited about. And I picked Berlin Heels. I really liked what they're doing with their electrosurgical device to remodel cardiac muscle tissue and restore heart function in heart failure patients. This is very exciting. Minimally, I believe it's Z Medical or XII, minimally invasive neuromodulation technology. So more neuromodulation to treat obstructive sleep apnea. Huge opportunity here when you look at how many hundreds of millions of patients have some form of sleep apnea or OSA. Endogenics is an endoscopic pulsed electric field therapy that is looking to regenerate the healthy cells of duodenal tissue to help with the regulation of blood sugar. And then BrightHeart, who has an AI solution to improve the detection of congenital heart defects in fetal ultrasounds. We always want to elevate and be excited for the work that's being done in the neonatal pediatric space. It's an important area that doesn't get the proper attention it deserves. So we really like the work that they're doing, BrightHeart and other companies like them in that space.